Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley if you're tuning in for the first time, and today we're doing a closure wig install straight out of the box. I was on my comments responding to you guys a little while ago, and someone was on there. She was like, this is too much work, because I think I was like tweezing out a wig and all of that, and she was like, I just need something that I can just sit on my head and go. So sis, I got you on this one. Closure wigs are always the way to go. I'll have this one in the description box, but it does come courtesy of Recool. I'll show you the packaging and all of the goodies at the end of the video, but for now let's go ahead and jump right into the install. No plucking, no tweezing. We're going to keep it super simple, and we're going to be using one product. This one is newer to me. This is what we're going to do to or use to tame the curls. It is also what we're going to use as like an edge control for the baby hair. So that is in the description box as well. But if you're interested in seeing this look, keep on watching. Don't step on the trail. Don't step on the trail.
Tempo, tempo, can you keep up with my tempo? Tempo, yeah, blowing up, C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go wherever that wind blows. The endo. Don't step on the trail. Don't step on the. Don't step on the. Don't step on the trail. High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah. Blowing up, C4. I just had to go crack now on my Depot. Yeah, that Draco bustin' like free throws. I do not miss no shots. I got the cheat code. That's why I never lose. They can't predict my moves. I'm way too smooth. Yeah. I just caught a groove. Yeah. This right here, that Charizard, the fire in the booth. Yeah, had to go right back to it. Yeah. If you ain't talking about money, please save your breath. Don't bring it up to me. Yeah, I pull up in that stunt like a 007 James Bond type movie. Yeah, hey, don't slip on the trip. No. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the trail. Tempo, you keep up with my tempo.
Time takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. Time, I am stressing out, I can't figure out what to say. Oh, time, just give us time. Time, looking back on pictures, and I find it hard to see you and myself in places where we used to be. Oh, time, we got older, babe, and I wanna stay with you. Don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, babe? Promise me we'll never fall.
I haven't seen you in a long time. Almost been a year since you broke my heart and tore me apart. Oh, yeah. I've been working on myself, trying to move on. Hooking up with someone else, trying to forget and get you out of my head. No, I deleted all your messages, cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone. Thought I was clear, I'm not your friend, I'm not the only. You think I'm the same, but you don't even know me. So I don't know why you keep calling me. What makes you think I would go back? Why would I wanna try again? You're not listening, no. You keep saying you'll change, but we both know people don't change it. It's time to let me go. Why won't you leave me alone? I deleted all your messages, cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone.
Okay, love bugs, so we are officially done with this hair look. I did just film the face on here, so if you haven't already seen that video, probably came out before this one. I'll have it linked in the description box. We just did a nice natural beat, and it was like a chit chat get ready with me, so make sure you check that out. In the meantime, in the between time, the hair has had time to kind of sort of dry, and I just wanted you guys to see how beautiful the curl pattern is. I love how full it is, and as you guys can see, I love that natural vibe where it gives like a little bit of a natural curl and not more of a spirally perfect uniform curl. Today's my husband's birthday, so we're about to go out and have some lunch and do some shopping and then go out to dinner later tonight. So I just wanted to have a little bit of fun with my look. All the details on this one are in the description box. And then to add to that, Recool did give me this cute little goodie bag, and it did come with some stuff. So we got some edge brush, a headband, a bonnet, dolphin clip, wig caps, a comb, and then you got lashes. So you got tons of goodies in this pack. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed the closure install. Someone on Instagram was like, or someone on YouTube commented, I need something I could just put on like a hat. So sis, I got you on this one. Be sure to check the description box for links, lists, and all the details. Also, this great little product I used today was something new, and I really loved the way it worked out. So you can find this in the description box as well. It worked as a hair product as well as like an edge control. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.